Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Tapos naman ang Christmas.
Okay lang yan. At least you receive something from me.
Okay.
Just be
Ano
grateful.
yan?
Open it. You really need it because you know how many years working abroad. You cannot even buy one of that.
Eh, bra?
Of course. One more. Open everything. Get everything.
Panty.
Oh, di ba? Gisin na yung mga panty. Gisin na yung bra.
Oo. Magagamit
Buksi pa,
ko.
may laman pa yun.
Ano pa?
Ano nga, isasay. How many years
Bra
you
naman.
working abroad?
Ano, ilang taon na, hindi pala kabili ng bagong bra at bagong panty.
For the first
For
time.
the first time, may nagregalo din.
Ganda, no?
Ay,
Hoy!
Salamat baby girl.
Ilang panty yan?
Ala, uy. Hindi ko alam. Wait, sana all baby girl. Daming panty, daming bra.
Kailangan mo yan. At puro gisi na yung gamit mo.
No gart na. Walang mga garter.
Okay, bye. Pag thank you, eh.
Salamat. Salamat ka, ayo.